Welcome to Dessert Planet. 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder. Mix the gelatin powder with a 1/4 cup of water and place on indirect heat until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Two cups of water. 1½ cups of sugar. Stir over medium heat until sugar is dissolved. 1 cup of starch. Dissolve the starch in a cup of water and pass it through a strainer and pour water into the sugar mixture and mix until it is completely uniform. Subscribe please, it will encourages us. Add the dissolved gelatin into the ingredients. Stir constantly for 30 minutes. Turn on notification to be the first to join our delicious journey. ½ cup of cardamom powder, ½ cup of rose water. Stir until the mixture is glassy. $40 grams of butter. Stir until the mixture inside the pan thickens. When the mixture has cooled a little, decorate it and then put it in the refrigerator to cool and ready to eat. Thanks for watching.